choked.
Let's chop.
You don't gotta swim
You want to go where?
to the Dead Sea. That's because they say it's enough salt for you to float, and we don't know how to swim.
Alright, so what I really wanted was just like to do, you know, like a 5-count nugget meal, you know, like breakfast wise. I don't know, she must have rung me up some type of extra way, but anyways, I just wanted to get us some breakfast this morning to get our Friday started. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Y'all, it's finally the weekend and I can't say it no more. I really don't want to put clothes on today. I'm telling you, like, I'm getting ready to come up with a shirt that clearly is like in my be lucky I got clothes on era, because it's like a fight with myself to figure out what I want to wear to work. And it, you know, the crazy thing is I got plenty of clothes in the closet to wear to work. It's just that you know, I try not to wear the same thing every week, unlike, you know, some other people that I know. And you know, it's just like, you got a whole closet full of clothes, or a whole, you know, like bin full of clothes. Why do you keep like putting the same things on over and over? You know what I mean? So I'm trying not to do that. And I'm also trying to just like incorporate new earrings, you know, into each outfit, blah, 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 blah. Needless to say, I want to get Chick-fil-A and get ready to head to work. So today I am basically the main teacher because she is out in the sped room. So I've been kind of like bouncing back and forth between first grade, general ed, and then special ed. So today her son is sick, so I'm gonna have to be in there, which means, you know what, guess what, I got my coffee, which is that pumpkin ice cream chai from yesterday that I got. And then yeah, I'll have some food in my system and then head on to do what I need to do for today and leave out and enjoy my weekend. Oh boy, y'all, I'm so glad it's Friday. I don't know what to do with myself. So glad it's Friday. So I don't have nothing planned this weekend other than if my mom comes up to visit. Ooh, you talking about somebody tired? I'm the tired one. Man. So it's my lunchtime. I'm gonna sit here and print off what I need before I eat because I already ate my sandwich. So I don't think I need to print much. It's just that I wanted to print it to have it. But anyways, ready to go home. Well, to the printer I go. All right. What's good, YouTube? I'm finally home on this lovely Friday afternoon. Today went by so perfect, literally like so perfect. The student that is in first grade with me was not there. Well, he was there. But when you start playing cat and mouse, it's time to go. Especially when at this moment we don't have an official assistant principal. We have one, but she's just filling in because she's retired. And when there's other kids to, you know, take care of, you gotta go. We can't play cat and mouse all day. So he went home by like 9:30, maybe 10. And then Whew. And then we had another student in kindergarten who has autism, and he decides to run recently. And with them going on the field trip up the mountain next week, I'm afraid he ain't gonna make it. He's not gonna be able to go. With parents or not, like, and if something happens, he's got to go with them. Look, y'all don't want me to become a principal, because some of these parents would not like me, because I think as teachers, teachers don't get paid enough for this stuff, and B, as principals, we try to keep the kids, you know, in school as long as we can, but sometimes it's too much. With it being Friday, y'all, I ain't got nothing to do. And I would say it's Friday and I just got paid. Just got paid Friday night. Feel alright. Woo. Ain't today. It could be today if they would like to drop that check early, but because it's not payday today, even though the 15th is Tuesday, I guess I'm waiting until Monday sometime, first thing in the morning, which is cool and all, but I might have wanted some Chinese food, but it's cool. It's cool because I got food in my house, and that's exactly what I just did that meal plan for a week and a half. So anyways, I'm gonna get ready to relax myself and do what I want to do. Dinner wise, I have no idea what we're gonna make. You know what? It might be, no, it can't be pizza because the kids just had pizza for school. It's gonna have to be something. I just know that, I mean, yeah, it's gonna have to be something. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, yeah, anyways, I'm gonna braid my hair back up by tonight because, y'all, I'm not letting my hair get tangled. I do not feel like rewashing it to get it untangled. I just know that I probably need to just straighten it because it ain't supposed to rain no time soon. Everything's cleaned up. Amen, amen, amen. I don't have to worry about doing nothing but sitting back and relaxing. All right, so outfit for today was simply just this like cute blue shirt. I actually found this at the Goodwill, and I like the fact that it's like stretchy, so it's you know, holding a bunch up here, but then it has like that line and it's stretchy. I also have on these cheetah pants that I got from Goodwill too. These were like half off, so about $3.50. And then I just paired it with these little shoes that I got off of either Shein or Temu like a year or two ago. So they're really comfortable. They're just like regular shoes. They just zip up on the sides. And then today I actually decided to just wear my hair down, wear a cheetah scarf with it, and then just some cheetah earrings. Just something plain and simple. We don't really have to dress up. It's just the fact that like you're being comfortable. So jeans are now what's comfortable, especially with the winter time getting ready to come up, as fall is definitely zooming in. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. I'm up and heading up to Food Line, y'all. It is 47 degrees out here. Literally 47 degrees out here already. But I'm heading up to Food Line because I was about to make breakfast, but I realized that I don't have any butter. So, you know, it really wouldn't get me a long way. So I'm gonna head up and grab some butter. There's a couple other things on that list that I need to grab while I'm up here. And then I'm just gonna grab us an iced coffee or iced latte from Dunkin'. And then just head on back home. Yeah. Y'all, I found some really good wine in Food Line. The one that we tried on vacation this year, the Pina Colada, oh yes, $12, especially when it was originally like 20 bucks if I would have gotten it there. And then they also had like a grape wine from Duplin. Yes, 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 yes. I cannot express to you enough how much I love the Duplin wines. And then I also got a wine so I can make a sangria, like a water, like, no, I was gonna say watermelon. No. Hi, can I just have 2 medium French vanilla iced lattes? And then just a total of 2 apple cider donuts. So what I was trying to say, y'all, was that I was gonna do like a autumn harvest sangria type of thing. But yeah, so I got what I needed for that and got some other things. I'll show you guys my little grocery haul when I get home, because I just went to the grocery store the other day and got some groceries to last me for 2 weeks. But now this will last me even longer because I was able to get like a fish to try that was on sale for like $8, and then also like a couple other things. All right, y'all, let's jump right into it. Got 3 navel oranges. Got some limited time fall favorite apple ciders. Got the peach pineapple Tropicana refresher along with the strawberry peach. Y'all, these little things be good. $2.79, why not? And then I got Duplin Carolina Red. We got Huckleberry by Duplin grape wine. I don't think we've tried this one before. I got the Cupcake Red Velvet. 2 of the Pina Colada ones. These are originally 20 when we were on vacation, but today they were 12, so I bought 2 of those. And then I got a thing of Swiss rolls, cosmic brownies, Christmas tree brownies, and Christmas tree cakes. Now, for the fall stuff, I ended up getting this cute little skeleton bucket for $1.99. Some pumpkin slices. These are pumpkin rolls. And then got some pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. So these are just like only 5 in there, so limited edition. And I found some Magic Hour caramel apple moscato. That sounds delicious with some fruit. Got some chai, black tea bags, some French vanilla cappuccino mix. Got some cinnamon sticks. Looks like there's a good amount in there. And then I got some ground black pepper. I think we were about to run out. 100% pumpkin can. This is a 15-ounce one. Got some half and half. Some apples, just a couple. And then I got fruit snacks, Minecraft, SpongeBob. They were buy one, get one free. And then butter flake croissants. And then salted butter, unsalted butter, pop-up parchment sheets. And then I got some hot dogs. So not only did I get hot dogs, but I got chicken dunks Lunchable, and then 8 nachos with cheese dip and salsa Lunchables. These are only $1.99. And then I got the 3 pepper Parmesan salmon with butter. So I don't know, this should be good. This was $7.99, so can't wait to see what that tastes like sometime today. We got some gizzards. Then I got some hamburger patties, $5.83. Y'all see exactly why I got them. They were almost at $10. Raw shrimp, bacon, and that's it. That's all, folks. Okay, so I just remembered that that's not it. That's not all, folks. There are 2 ice creams in here that Sky had asked me for a couple weeks ago, but I never got them because, yeah, we just didn't need them at the time. But I went ahead and bought her some ice cream.
Mommy. Okay, so we got some Barbie ice cream. It is wait, what?
Strawberry marshmallow.
Strawberry marshmallow.
And
That sounds good.
Your other one is frosted cupcake.
Frosted cupcake.
So yeah.
Wait, why is it so sparkly? Good. I'm professional. We gotta.
Hold on, just leave it there. I'm coming back over there.
I don't know.
Let it whip. Whip it, baby. All right, so we got Barbie strawberry marshmallow. This one is Barbie frosted cupcake. We're gonna see which one is the best. Now,
So first, she's gonna try that one. I'm gonna try this one, and
Okay.
then I'll try that one, and she's gonna try this one. Okay, it's hard though. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay.
okay.
Now switch.
Crap. Which one do you like better?
That one.
Yeah. This one tastes like
Like it just tastes like
a strawberry ice cream, but I'm sure it has
Some
marshmallows down in
there.
it. But this one is supposed to have pink pieces on the inside. I don't see
I
any.
see the pink pieces.
Not really. Oh, now you do, but it's not as like pink as they have it on there.
It's just, I don't really like strawberry ice cream, but it's just I like white ice cream.
Tastes like cupcake.
Clear.
All right, y'all. So what I'm going to be making is a caramel apple cider sangria. I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, y'all. So we got cinnamon sticks. We got Magic Hour caramel apple moscato, apple cider. We got an apple. We got an orange, navel orange, and frozen cranberries.